Hi everyone, we have a nice question that we should find x here. Let's go to find x. Solution. 4 power x is common here. And we can take it out. 4 power x times divided 4 power x is 1. Divided 4 power x is 1, divided 4 power x is 1, divided 4 power x is 1, and on right side 1024. Now, here 4 power x, this is 4, times 4 is equals 1024. Now here, as you know, if a power m times a power n is equals a power m plus n. According to that, we can write 4 power x times 4 power 1. We can write that 4 power x plus 1 is equals, we can write 1024 2 power 10. Now, we can write for 2 power 2 all power x plus 1. And we have 2 power 10 on right side. Now here, two power 2 times x plus 1 equals 2 power 10. As you know, if a power b equals a power c, then b equals c. According to that, we can write 2 times x plus 1 is equals 10. Here, we can divide both sides on 2, and on left side we can cancel out 2. We have x plus 1 on left side equals 10 over 2 is 5. Now here, x equals 5 minus 1, and we have x is 4 here. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe me, guys. Goodbye.